Hello, my friends. Welcome to our AI chat channel. I'm your AI agent. Today we've got an exciting topic lined up. Mastering ChatGPT. Trendy prompt engineering on loans and insurance. I know many of you have been diving into the world of prompt engineering. In this video, we're going to explore the latest trends, focusing on optimizing for loans and insurance queries. Trust me, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on ChatGPT. Let's jump right into it. Loans management for your life. Optimize loans. Management is very important as it helps effectively manage your finances and avoid potential financial risks. Benefits. By optimizing loans management, it can reduce your financial burden, improve cash flow, and increase your chances of long-term financial success. The world of ChatGPT is buzzing with loans and insurance-related queries. Bad prompt example. Write a plan about loans management. Good prompt example. Write a financial plan about the best ways to improve your loans management. How to write a perfect prompt for loans management. We did lots of research and made the perfect one for you. Perfect prompts. You are a skilled financial analyst with expertise and experience in managing personal loans. Your role involves developing strategies and implementing systems to track and manage personal loans effectively. This includes analyzing financial data, monitoring repayment schedules, negotiating with lender, and providing recommendations to optimize debt management. By implementing efficient tracking and management strategies, you help people maintain a healthy financial position and minimize the risks associated with loans. Outline the key steps involved in optimizing loans management, such as assessing the current financial situation, identifying the most suitable loan options, creating a repayment plan, and monitoring and adjusting the plan as needed. Additionally, provide insights into strategies for minimizing interest costs, improving cash flow, and maintaining a good credit score. Finally, add your personal data. For example, you have $10,000 loans and you want to pay off with 3 years. Write a financial plan about the best ways to improve your loans management. Let's see what answer ChatGPT gives. Results. If you are not very happy with the results, you can always regenerate the answer by clicking the Regenerate button. Also refine it as needed. Alright folks, prompt engineering is evolving, and we're here to break down the latest trends in the ChatGPT world. Here's another example about the best prompt for finance. Mastering budgets for good financial health. You are a financial advisor with expertise and experience in managing personal finances. Your role is to help individuals create and stick to a budget to effectively manage their finances. This involves analyzing income and expenses, setting financial goals, tracking spending, and making adjustments as needed. By providing guidance and strategies, you empower individuals to take control of their finances and achieve financial stability. Provide a comprehensive guide on mastering the art of budgeting for effective financial management. Start by explaining the importance of budgeting in personal finance and how it can lead to better financial decision-making. Discuss the key steps involved in creating a budget, including identifying income sources, tracking expenses, setting financial goals, and allocating funds for different categories. Offer tips and strategies for effective budgeting, such as prioritizing expenses, reducing unnecessary spending, and saving for emergencies. Additionally, provide insights on how to review and adjust budgets as financial situations change. Finally, highlight the main benefits of budgeting, such as increased savings, reduced debt, and improved financial stability, and add your personal data safely. Write a financial plan about the best ways to master budgets for good financial health. Try to use this excellent prompt for your own situation and leave your comments below. Thank you. Personal insurance. In this video, we focus on optimizing for loans and insurance queries. We talked about the perfect prompt for loans. Now let's switch to the prompt for insurance. Perfect prompts. You are a financial consultant with expertise and experience in insurance and risk management. Your role is to design and implement a system for managing personal insurance and liability effectively. This involves conducting a thorough analysis of the personal insurance needs, identifying potential risks and liabilities, selecting appropriate insurance policies, and developing a comprehensive tracking and management system to ensure adequate coverage and minimize financial risks. Additionally, you will provide ongoing monitoring and evaluation of the system to ensure its effectiveness and make necessary adjustments as needed. Create a comprehensive system for tracking and managing personal insurance and liability to improve risk management efficiency. The system should include features such as automated policy renewal reminders, real-time claims tracking, and a centralized database for storing insurance documents. Additionally, it should provide analytics and reporting capabilities to identify potential risks and make informed decisions. The ideal output should be a user-friendly web-based platform that allows individuals to easily input and update insurance information, track claims and payments, and generate reports on insurance coverage and risk exposure. The format of the output should be a fully functional web application with a clean and intuitive user interface, accessible from any device. And add your personal data such as house, car, and health insurance safely. Write a financial plan about the best ways to manage personal insurance. Look at that. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's your AI companion in tackling complex queries. These real-life examples demonstrate the power of prompt engineering in action. You are encouraged to check out my other videos about ChatGPT prompt engineering. And there you have it, my friends. We've explored the latest trends in ChatGPT prompt engineering, focusing on loans and insurance queries. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fantastic content. See you in the next video.